Did you know the fastest way people have been growing YouTube channels is by posting shorts? For example, look at the YouTuber Eric. He just started 4 years ago with a couple thousand subscribers, and now he's at 15 million, all because he just posted YouTube shorts of his long form content.
This is me about to find out if I broke the world record for the largest pizza ever created. Mr. Beast locked me in a freezer, and for every hour that I stay in, I win this random person, Eve, $10,000.
Would you sell me one of your dogs for $5,000?
A couple of years ago, this type of growth was near impossible, but now it's far too common because this new era of YouTubers post their content in digestible clips so that they can get subscribers to their long form content. And in this video, we're gonna show you how to make viral YouTube shorts to blow up your YouTube channel just using 2 AI tools. You don't need a bunch of separate AI software subscriptions for your scripting, voiceovers, video editing, stock footage, tags, and optimization. Instead, you'll just be using 2 helpful AI tools that will guarantee you'll make a bunch of YouTube shorts in a small time frame. Welcome to TubeMagic. I'm your host, Dennis, and if you don't believe that this method works, let me show you a YouTube channel that'll act as a prime example that YouTube Shorts really can blow up your channel. Stellar Sagas is a channel that posted 51 YouTube Shorts similar to the ones we will be creating in this video. And because of their 51 YouTube Shorts, they have amassed 400,000 subscribers on their channel, and they get views from those subscribers on their long form content as well. However, this channel has only posted 51 shorts, and using the 2 AI tools in this video, you can easily make that amount in less than 10 days. Imagine instead of just 10 days of making YouTube shorts, you make them for, let's say, 2 or 3 months. You might just potentially have 1 million subscribers from the hundreds of shorts that you can post from that. And there are hundreds and even thousands of channels just like that one that are finding massive success with shorts because YouTube is directly competing with TikTok and Instagram Reels for the short form video market. So let's get into how you can start doing this right now. First thing you're gonna wanna do is find a popular channel in your niche. In this video, we're just gonna be doing the niche psychology, but you guys can do this with nearly any other niche. I found this channel right here called The Dark Manipulation, and they post similar videos to what we're going to make. And if you look at their most popular, they have some videos with millions and millions of views. So it's a perfect channel to replicate. Now you guys might be asking, Dennis, this channel doesn't even get a lot of views on their long form content. Doesn't this prove your point wrong? Well, here's the thing. This channel honestly doesn't post really good long form content, and the one good video they do post gets 90,000 views, their first ever video. So the fact that some of their videos, that honestly these types of videos would get completely swept up by the YouTube algorithm and would get like near 0 views, are getting thousands of views, shows that in some way posting shorts does work. And if they were to just post quality long form videos like this, they would be getting 90,000 views a video, over 100,000. And if they just posted more long form content just like this video, they would be getting a lot more views. And that's just because they started off their channel by posting a lot of these faceless shorts that we'll be showing you guys how to create in this video. But by using TubeMagic, you're actually able to copy the name of this channel, and then going into TubeMagic's main tool page, you're gonna wanna go over to video ideas. And then you can just insert the channel into this bar right here. And pressing on generate, it'll make you tons of video ideas after video ideas modeled completely around this channel using AI machine learning. Keep generating video idea after video idea until you generated about 15 to 20 YouTube short ideas, which should take you only a couple minutes using this tool. But then what you're gonna wanna do after that is find a good idea and then just copy it. Let's do this one, the hidden strings, puppeteering human emotion. So we're gonna copy that, and then we're gonna go back to AI tools, and under their script writer right here, you're just going to input the name of the video and then add some context. So I'm just gonna write, this is a YouTube short about psychology and puppeteering humans' emotions. Perfect. And then you're gonna wanna press on this right here instead of general script, which is shorts. So then it should automatically make it less than 60 seconds, and you're just gonna wanna hit generate. And then it's gonna generate you a YouTube short script that's 100 times faster than actually just sitting here and writing out the scripts yourself for YouTube Shorts. Now, an important thing to remember is you should copy your script and then just double check to see how long it is in a word to time converter right here. And as you can see, it is 42 seconds of speaking and 32 seconds of silent reading time. And the reason we want to do this is because YouTube Shorts have to be under 60 seconds or else they won't be classified as a short. So you just have to make sure they're under 60 seconds. Now you just have to do that with your 15 to 20 video ideas, and now you've written tons of YouTube Shorts in just under an hour. For TubeMagic, you can use the code MAGIC30 at checkout for 30% off your first month. And we're gonna be going into our next AI software, but don't go anywhere because we're gonna be coming back to TubeMagic to use their most important feature that's going to completely separate you from all the other YouTube Shorts channels, and you'll see why later in this video. But as for right now, we're gonna move into our next AI software. So using this software called Pictory, I'm gonna go over to script to video, and then I'm going to put in my script that I've made with TubeMagic right here. Now I'm gonna start breaking these up because all of these line breaks right here are gonna represent a different scene in the final edit, and you'll see what I mean in just a moment. Just like this, you're gonna wanna make a bunch of line breaks, and then you're gonna wanna go over to scene settings and make sure on here it's on line breaks. I already have it set as that, but it's probably gonna be set on sentence break. First, you're gonna wanna set it to line breaks. Then all you have to do from there is press on proceed, and now it's going to completely make you an entire edited video just off of your script. Once it's completely generated, what you're gonna wanna do is go over to landscape and switch this to portrait so it's more similar to the YouTube Shorts format. And then you can just start moving around these scenes to start fitting the portrait mode, or you can just go over to the visuals on Pictory and search through their stock footage library so you can just start replacing these videos. Like for example, right here, I'm just going to replace this with a Puppet Master hand. One thing you're gonna wanna remember is to take the text right here at the bottom and move it on the center of your short. And then you're gonna wanna press on apply to all so that the text on the videos sits right in the middle, and that's the perfect place for the text to be for the YouTube Shorts format. Next, what you're gonna wanna do is go over to audio and press on voiceover. And then now you can select a text-to-speech to completely narrate your video, or you can just upload your own voiceover that you've recorded so that Pictory can just use your voice as a reference.
Welcome to Pictory. Did you know that video increases user engagement by 80%?
So I like this text-to-speech right here by Russell, so I'm just gonna hit on apply, and that's gonna apply it to my entire video. While it's doing that, you can go over to background music, and then you can look through Pictory's entire library of copyright-free music, or you can just upload it yourself, which is what I'm going to do. I have my own music that I like to just put into my YouTube Shorts. So once you have your background music and voiceover applied, all you have to do is go over to download and download your YouTube Short, and that's it. That's all you had to do. Here's my YouTube Short that I've made right here.
When it comes to puppeteering human emotions, it's important to remember that empathy plays a crucial role. By understanding and connecting with others on an emotional level, you can subtly guide their feelings in a positive direction, whether it's through active listening, offering support, or simply being present.
Now we have made a YouTube Short just like that within minutes. What used to take 2 hours to edit a YouTube Shorts, you can now do in minutes. And you can do 5 of these within an hour. That's 5 days worth of YouTube Shorts uploads by just using TubeMagic and Pictory. Now don't go anywhere yet because I'm about to show you the most important feature of TubeMagic that's going to completely separate you from the rest of the competition by just one very important detail. And you guys will see that in just a moment. Now go ahead and upload your short on your YouTube channel and give it a few minutes to process. But once it's finished, you're not gonna wanna upload it publicly. Instead, you're gonna wanna set it to unlisted and hit save. And then you're gonna wanna copy your link. Now going back to TubeMagic's main tool page, you're gonna wanna go down to this right here, Warp Upload. And then you're gonna wanna insert the link of your video and press generate. Now TubeMagic is actually making you a title, description, and tags fully optimized for your YouTube Short for them to do as best as possible on the YouTube algorithm by using machine learning. The reason why this right here is gonna set you so far apart from all the other YouTube Shorts channels is because it takes so much time to actually just optimize several shorts a day on your YouTube channel. But with TubeMagic, you're actually able to do this in seconds, generating you an amazingly optimized title, description, and tags perfectly for your YouTube Shorts. And that already is much better than 99% of YouTube Shorts channels. You can get TubeMagic and Pictory below, but whether you use Pictory to make AI Shorts or not, or whether you even make YouTube Shorts to begin with, you should still have TubeMagic as a YouTube creator, because it is super valuable to creators on YouTube, and you can use it to supercharge your YouTube channel with all of the helpful AI tools that TubeMagic has to offer to make your content process a lot easier. Check out TubeMagic in the description below and make sure to use Magic30 for 30% off your first month. And if you guys want to see how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, then check out this video right here. I hope you guys got value from this video. If you guys want to learn how to grow your channels on YouTube, then subscribe to the TubeMagic YouTube channel for weekly videos. I'll see you guys later.